Hi, I'm Alicia Alonso.
I'm Mark Trias.
And I'm Janelle Laura, and we're with Option 1 Real Estate.
Welcome to our Luckey Ranch Charmer. This home is located off of Highway 90 past 1604. This wonderfully kept home is built in 2015, just like new.
This amazing home has an open floor plan. The living room is very spacious with lots of natural light and all ceramic tile throughout. The kitchen features glass tile backsplash and beautiful granite countertops.
This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has a walk-in closet in the master bedroom, and it is separate from all the other rooms. Carpet in the bedrooms. Wood blinds in every room. Largest lot you will find in this newly built subdivision. You cannot build this home today for the price you're getting it at.
For a full report on this home or any home for sale, or if you'd like to do a free home search that is more accurate than what's on the internet, log on to our website, send us a text, or give us a call. We're always happy to help.